So you have some blood, but you want to get rid of that white background. You can do this in a couple of ways. We can go over to our layers, add an alpha channel, click the fuzzy select tool, click the white background, and delete. Now you have to go through and delete these white specks in between the blood, which is very tedious. You could, alternatively, increase the threshold of the fuzzy select tool, click the background, and delete. That got rid of our white specks, but now we have a very transparent blood layer, which you probably don't want. This is, of course, easier done in Blender. So let's go over to Blender. Got our cube, we're going to delete it, add a plane, rotate the plane so it's within side of the camera. Go ahead and click the plane, click shaders. With our plane selected, add a new material, delete the principled BSDF. We're going to add an image texture, and we're going to add a blood texture. Right there. Go ahead and click the image texture node, duplicate it, add a transparent BSDF node, and then add a mix shader. Connect the transparent BSDF node to this shader input. Connect the color of one of your texture nodes over to the factor, and then connect the final color to this shader point right here. Then we're going to connect this shader point to our material output. So we have our blood, still got the white background. We can get rid of it by going over to our material properties and then selecting blend mode, change that to alpha clip. And then if you get this result, which is kind of interesting, you can always switch these two nodes around. And there you have it, the transparent background. If we render it, we still got that gray background that we don't want. We can fix that by going to render mode, or I guess just render properties, film, and then select transparent. Now our background will be nice and checkered, which means we have an alpha layer. But we still have these white borders here, which are also an easy fix. So let's go back to our material properties and adjust the clip threshold. That increases the white border, but if we increase it, it'll get rid of them. That's a bit too much, and that's about right. Okay, we're going to go ahead and render again, and there you have it. Nice transparent layer. Of course, we can always move the camera a little closer to make it look a little better. And roughly perfect. Looks pretty good. Well, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.